Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how an admin can create a payout in our multi-vendor marketplace application. So first, let me explain you what a payout is. Payout is the remaining amount that an admin can transfer to a seller after deducting his own commission when an order is completed. So in our application, payout can be done in two types, automatically and manually. For automatic payouts, we have provided PayPal in our application. So what an admin has to do is he has to click on Settings, General, and he has to enter all these PayPal details and click on Save. He can easily get these details from his PayPal merchant account. And now let me show you Seller Panel. In Seller Panel also, seller has to enter his PayPal payout email here and he has to click on Save. Now in Admin Panel, admin has to enable this option to yes, and he has to set an order status for auto payment to seller, and after setting up all these details he has to click on Save. For manual payouts, admin has to click on Seller Control, Seller Commissions, and here an admin can see that he has to create a payout of rupees 4,500 to this seller. So let me show you how it can be done. He has to click on this accounting section, click on this plus button, he has to select the seller, he has to enter the payout amount, and he has to click on create. And now as we can see, a payout of rupees 4,500 has been created for this seller. If an admin wants to see all his payout transactions, he can see by clicking on this payout transaction button. Thank you so much for watching this video.